Hi everyone, myself Satvik Tangdu from S7 CSCD. So today I am going to give a presentation on the topic named Social Media Analysis Web Application. So these are the contents or roadmap of our presentation. So first we can start with the abstract. As a part of our daily lives, social media is an important factor in analyzing modern security as a whole and including its values, norms, behaviors. This research is mainly focused on examining social media to enable users to create their own preferences for following a particular social media source. So, a web application has been created to enable one user to follow specific Facebook accounts and classify Facebook posts on those accounts that are based on user defined taxonomies. And the outcomes of this research consists of various reports derived from the Facebook posts and the statistics which are clustered according to the user-defined criteria taxonomies. And this project also have the advantage of allowing any user to track when people are discussing a topic in real time. So this is a brief explanation about this abstract. Now we can continue with the introduction. So every area of our lives, from the private and intimate to the professional and public, been impacted by social media. And these businesses use their social media pages for a variety of business-related activities. Correct social media data analysis is frequent crucial, means it can be used for the identifying consumer behaviors and needs for businesses as well as for government and social institutions to societal needs. And the importance of social media in modern life is follows such as underscoring the significance of means we can say is like properly analyzing these online communities. Additionally, it makes several recommendations for machine learning techniques and algorithms that can be used to solve this issue, including tag-based algorithms, neural networks, and also matrix factorization. And supervised machine learning techniques for sentimental analysis were discussed by Tripathi, Agarwal, and Rath in this paper. The sentiment of movie review has been determined by authors using the naive Bayes and support vector machine algorithms in this paper. And in this paper, the author named like Al Udukuku, who has presented yet another intriguing method for analyzing social media. In this paper, an effort was made to use hashtags to extract topical information from tweets. Latent Dirichlet allocation, it is a method LDA, which combines multiple tweets in an effort to perform better, and it was a method that performed the best after they tested and compared various approaches. The goal of this study is to show the advantages of using big data tools to analyze social network data. It introduces a specific application of social media analysis that aims to give anyone the ability to impose their own standards and sources of data that they want to examine. So now we can discuss about uh, different methodologies. So now which were used in this paper. So in this paper, they have used three methods named web application, functionality, system architecture, and categorization engine. So we can briefly go through all these methods one by one. First, we can discuss about web application functionality. This information system is a website that provides end users with statistical information about user-defined categories in social networks. The system is intended to provide more information to how much and when people talk about predefined politics, sports, and culture are just a few examples. As a result, valuable reports can be generated by utilizing the provided category and information in order to analyze citizen opinions for various objectives. This system will specifically retrieve data from the Facebook site of popular regional target portals or also from the personal accounts, and then they'll categorize them. And now we can discuss about the second method named system architecture. The Java Spring based web application known as SMA Web App, SMA means system architecture, the version 9 and 10 is used for the real time analysis of the data on the Facebook social network. And taxonomy is the primary tool used by a SMA for analysis. The taxonomy consists of a number of distinct categories, and each category has associated keywords. There is a list of synonyms for each keyword, all of which refer to the same word, which interacting with the system to create and manage accounts and their settings. And we can also say that the system architecture web app is used. The user can customize the sources they want to follow on the Facebook, and as part of the settings, sources are the Facebook pages, also known as URLs. Now we can discuss about the last method named categorization engine. Every user has the ability to impose their own restrictions on how data will be grouped and analyzed using our categorization engine. The number of distinct categories is up to each user. These categories may include more specialized topics like winter tires, glasses, and ventilators, or more general topics like politics, sports, and culture. Every category can have a large number of keywords too. So these keywords frequently contain more precise concepts, which aids the categorization engine in producing a more precise grouping. Last but not least, every word has a synonym. These synonyms are there simply to allow for more precise categorization, and they are not required to be what understand the synonym to be in the language. We'll know which category a particular post belongs to once this engine begins categorizing posts. So now we can go through the results. So here we have two pictures, so we can go one by one. So here, the main importance was given by illustrating two use cases. This means this result section shows how useful the application that developed is. Initial use case study with some examples like clicks.bar, awash.bar, sportsport.bar, and etc. These are the Facebook pages to determine the most talked about subjects in Bosnia and Herzegovina. And here the circle with the different colors exemplifies the categories found through offline research and their presence on the Facebook pages of four portals. And the graph shows that 39% of social activities are social interactions, while 24% of posts and comments on the target Facebook pages are shockingly vulgar. These results are interesting and helpful for understanding in society as a whole, in fact. And in this figure, which was on the right side, they described about different daily activities of social media according to the day of a week and time of the day, and various social media posts or comments are displayed. With the exception of Tuesdays through Fridays, when there are slightly more posts and comments down on Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. One explanation be that people spend the weekend with their families and friends and concentrate on work on Monday. Means general, it's a general way where they'll go to the work on Monday and remaining days they'll be on the Saturday and weekends they'll be with the family and enjoy, leaving little time for following or posting on social media. The most popular topics on these Facebook pages are presumably going to give us an idea of what people are interested in. So now we have reached the last part. Uh, of our presentation named conclusion. So now we can conclude that many researchers, business owners, and social media users and have all given social media data analysis a great deal of attention in an effort to better how understand the actions or thoughts of other social media users. And the software which was described in this paper is developed to examine the Facebook account feeds of specific users in order to gather data on user different topics, and results indicate that the program can produce reports on topics that the user defines. Users will be able to easily notice significant events occurring near that they may want to be aware of. Means, for example, they can tell the thanks to this program by incorporating the technologies to address the issue of variations of the same words. This software could be enhanced by using machine learning techniques to create better categories. So this was the brief explanation about this paper. Thank you. Thank you.